How to transform your data in the Power Query Editor. Prerequisites for transforming your data in the Power Query Editor include having the Power BI desktop client installed, being connected to the Cisco AnyConnect admin VPN, and being connected to a data source. We have a video linked below to help you get connected to an Azure SQL database called Rosie Replica, which is a near real-time, read-only copy of the Rosie production data. So when we are presented with this window, we will click on Transform Data. This launches the Power Query Editor. On the left-hand side, we see all the queries we have loaded in. The middle screen is the current view and is our main working area. Along the right is the query settings, and this is where we can begin by renaming our query to something more descriptive. You will also notice the Applied Steps section that shows you a list of transformations you've already done so far. So let's begin by exploring the Home tab. You can begin by adding in more data sources by selecting New Source, and then follow the connection process. You can also manage your query by selecting the Manage option under the Query section. In here, you can delete, duplicate, or reference this query. Next, we can manage the columns and rows in our query by removing unnecessary fields, removing duplicates, blank rows, or errors. And then we can use the Sort option to make a column ascending or descending. If, for instance, you are bringing in a text file that splits the column by a delimiter, we can transform this data into columns by selecting the Split Column option and then split it by delimiter, or any of the other options. You can change the data type of a column here, or you can combine queries by merging or appending. Next, we will move on to the Transform tab. Under the Table section, we can transpose, reverse, or count rows. And we will also notice that some of the features from the Home tab also reflect here, such as the option to change your data type, splitting the column, but we also have new features such as pivoting and unpivoting columns, moving the columns so they appear in a different order, extracting characters from text values, or for performing statistical operations. For more advanced users, you have the option to run R or Python scripts as well. Moving on to the next tab, this is where you can create custom columns, functions, or conditional columns. For numeric data types, you can run statistics on the values, such as the averages, standard deviations, sums, or you can also look into some of the AI insights. The View tab can help you customize your view, and you can also manage your query dependencies. Finally, the Help tab can provide you with a lot of resources to help you out. For instance, the training videos will take you to Microsoft Power BI's YouTube channel. You can access Microsoft documentation, or you can look at community galleries to see sample reports. That's it. You can now transform your data from the Power Query Editor in the Power BI desktop client. Next steps include learning how to visualize your data in a report, publishing your report to the Power BI online service, setting up dataset settings such as gateway connections, data source credentials, and scheduled refreshes, all of which can be found in the Power BI toolbox.